One tiny repair decision led to the deadliest single aircraft crash in history. In the summer of 1985, a commercial airplane left Tokyo on what should have been a routine flight to Osaka. Less than an hour later, it slammed into a remote mountainside in Japan. There were almost no survivors. But what happened next changed aviation safety forever and forced Boeing into one of the most uncomfortable chapters in its history. Because this wasn't just a crash, it was a warning. And for years, the real lesson behind it stayed quietly buried. The aircraft was Japan Airlines Flight 123, a Boeing 747 SR, a short-range version of the iconic jumbo jet. On August 12, 1985, it departed Tokyo for Osaka with 524 people on board. 12 minutes after takeoff, passengers heard a loud bang. The cabin suddenly lost pressure. The plane began to shake violently. And within moments, the crew realized they had lost control of the aircraft. For the next 32 minutes, the pilots fought desperately to keep the plane in the air, with almost no hydraulic control. They never made it back. The plane crashed into a mountain ridge, killing 520 people, the deadliest single aircraft disaster in aviation history. But the real shock didn't come from the crash itself. It came from what investigators found afterward. 7 years before the crash, the aircraft had suffered a minor tail strike during landing. Technicians repaired the damage, but made a mistake that no one noticed at the time. Instead of installing a single reinforcement plate on the rear pressure bulkhead, they used 2 overlapping plates. It looked fine. It passed inspection. And for 7 years, the plane flew without incident, until metal fatigue slowly tore that faulty repair apart. On Flight 123, the weakened bulkhead finally failed, violently decompressing the cabin and ripping through critical hydraulic lines. The pilots lost almost every flight control system at once. And that's why they spent 32 agonizing minutes trying to steer a jumbo jet with almost no controls before crashing into the mountains. When investigators traced the cause back to Boeing's own repair work, it sent shockwaves through the aviation world. For decades, Boeing had been known for engineering excellence. Now, one overlooked maintenance error had caused the deadliest aviation disaster in history. Quietly, behind the scenes, Boeing began rewriting how safety was handled. Not just inspections, not just repairs, but corporate responsibility itself. This crash led to new maintenance verification standards, independent inspection requirements, redesigns of pressure bulkheads, and the birth of modern aviation safety culture. Before this disaster, errors were often treated as individual mistakes. After it, they were treated as system failures. That shift saved countless lives, but it came at an enormous cost. What makes this story even more haunting is that 4 passengers survived the impact. Rescue teams were delayed overnight. By the time they reached the wreckage, those survivors had passed away from injuries that might have been treatable. One of the victims left behind a note that still chills investigators today. She wrote to her family during the final minutes of flight. Calm, loving, accepting. That note became one of the most heartbreaking documents in aviation history, and a reminder that behind every crash statistic are real lives, real families, and unfinished futures. This crash rarely appears in Boeing marketing history, not because it's unknown, but because it represents something far more uncomfortable than mechanical failure. It represents organizational failure. A moment when a small shortcut, a rushed repair, a missed inspection set off a chain reaction that no one could stop years later. And it taught aviation a lesson that still guides safety today. Planes don't fail suddenly. Systems fail quietly, until one day they don't. After Flight 123, aviation changed. Black box recording standards improved. Crew resource management was redesigned. Maintenance documentation became far stricter. Whistleblower protections expanded. Every time you step onto a modern airplane today, you're benefiting from lessons written in tragedy. Most people never hear this story, but every engineer remembers it. Because safety rules are not written in ink, they're written in lives. This wasn't just a crash Boeing wishes people would forget. It's a crash the aviation world refuses to forget, because remembering it keeps passengers alive today. And that's why this story still matters.